Maybe you've heard of power sports dealerships pressuring people into buying the manufacturer's brand of parts or lubricants to avoid losing their factory warranty. If this has happened to you, it's probably left a bad taste in your mouth. That's because no one wants to be told what to buy, and no one wants to be taken advantage of. In America, you have the right to choose whichever brand of parts or lubricants you think are best. Get the facts about your rights. It is illegal to tie warranty coverage to whichever brand of parts or lubricants you use. Manufacturers that do so must provide the parts or lubricants free of charge. Manufacturers can't deny warranty coverage without showing the aftermarket part or lubricant caused a failure. In America, you have the right to choose how you protect your new power sports equipment. Learn more at amsoil.com/freedom.